The MUCAR VO8 Professional OBD2 Diagnostic tool is a comprehensive solution for automotive diagnostics, designed for both professionals and advanced enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 8-inch touchscreen and 64 GB of storage, it offers a user-friendly interface and ample space for data storage. This device supports full-system diagnostics across various vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more, ensuring thorough vehicle assessments. One of the standout features of the MUCAR VO8 is its capability for ECU coding and bidirectional control, allowing users to perform active tests and reprogram vehicle modules as needed. With 34 reset functions, it covers essential maintenance tasks such as oil reset, ABS bleeding, throttle adaptation, and injector coding, among others. The tool's compatibility extends to over 100,000 vehicle models worldwide, and it supports 28 languages, making it versatile for global use. Additionally, the MUCAR VO8 offers lifetime free updates, ensuring that users have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities without ongoing subscription fees. Its durable design, combined with advanced features, positions it as a valuable asset for those seeking a reliable and efficient diagnostic tool.